2024 Class C Greyhawk XL. The 2024 Class C Greyhawk XL is a luxury motorhome that perfectly blends comfort, style, and strength. Built on the powerful Ford F550 4x4 chassis, it is designed to handle a variety of terrains while keeping the ride smooth and enjoyable. Whether you're heading out for a family vacation, a cross-country road trip, or an outdoor adventure, this motorhome is built to make every journey comfortable and memorable. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious interior that feels just like home. The living area is designed for relaxation, featuring a sofa bed, a recliner, and a coffee table, perfect for lounging after a long day of travel. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need to cook on the road, including a stainless steel refrigerator, a microwave, a 3-burner stovetop, and a convection oven. The private bedroom offers a cozy queen-sized bed. 2024 Newmar King Air. The 2024 Newmar King Air is a top-of-the-line luxury motorhome built for those who love traveling in comfort and style. Its sleek exterior hints at the elegance and sophistication waiting inside, making it an eye-catching home on wheels. Inside, the King Air offers a spacious and welcoming living space designed for relaxation and convenience. The living area features cozy seating and a comfortable lounge where you can unwind after a day of travel. The dining space and fully equipped kitchen make cooking easy, with a stove, refrigerator, and plenty of storage for all your essentials. The master bedroom includes a plush queen-sized bed and ample storage for clothing and personal items. The bathroom is modern and functional, with a shower, toilet, and sink, ensuring all the comforts of home are available on the road. This motorhome is ideal for long trips or weekend getaways, offering a smart layout that maximizes every inch of space. 2024 Renegade Valencia 38BB. The 2024 Renegade Valencia 38BB is a luxurious and spacious motorhome designed for travelers who want the perfect mix of comfort, style, and practicality. Its sleek exterior is matched by an elegant and thoughtfully designed interior that makes every trip feel like home. Inside, the Valencia 38BB features a cozy living area with comfortable seating and a dining space, perfect for relaxing or enjoying meals with family and friends. The modern kitchen comes fully equipped with a stove, refrigerator, and plenty of storage, making it easy to cook anywhere on the road. The master bedroom includes a queen-sized bed and ample storage for clothes and personal items, while the bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink, providing all the conveniences you need while traveling. This motorhome is perfect for both long road trips and weekend getaways, offering a smart layout that maximizes space and comfort. Alcoven 1200. The Vario Alcoven 1200 is a stunning example of a luxury motorhome that perfectly balances style, space, and practicality. Measuring between 8 to 12 meters in length, it offers plenty of room to comfortably fit 2 to 3 sleeping spaces, making it a great choice for families who love to travel in comfort. Built on powerful Mercedes-Benz and MAN chassis and weighing between 7.5 to 26 tons, this motorhome is designed for strength, stability, and long-lasting performance on the road. One of its standout features is the 1-to-4 extensible slide-outs, which expand the living room area to create a spacious and cozy interior. It even includes a customizable automobile garage that can be tailored to fit your personal vehicle, making it incredibly versatile. Inside, the Alcoven 1200 is filled with modern conveniences, such as a 32-inch flat-screen TV, a steam kitchen, a washing machine, and even advanced security systems, ensuring a safe and comfortable journey. Concorde Centurion 1200. The Concorde Centurion 1200 is a high-end motorhome designed for travelers who want the perfect mix of luxury, comfort, and long-distance capability. Built with a focus on spacious design and premium finishes, this RV feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels than just a vehicle. It's ideal for families or groups, offering plenty of room to relax, dine, and sleep while on the road. Inside, the Centurion 1200 features a beautifully designed bedroom with a large, comfortable bed and smart storage cabinets. For extra guests, there are additional sleeping options such as convertible sofas or bunk beds, making it flexible enough for different travel needs. The living area is roomy and inviting, with cozy seating, a dining table, and entertainment systems to keep everyone comfortable during long journeys. The kitchen is fully equipped with all the essentials, including a stove, refrigerator, sink, and lots of storage space for cookware and utensils, making it easy to prepare meals anywhere. Demel Motorhome. The Demel Motorhome from Wilhelmsdorf, Germany, is designed to bring the luxury of a yacht onto the open road. Built with style, comfort, and precision, this modern RV delivers a travel experience that feels both exclusive and practical. Its exterior is smooth and elegant, with hidden windows, knobs, and hinges that give it a seamless look, while the interior is filled with high-quality materials and smart layouts that create a cozy, user-friendly space for everyday living. One of its biggest strengths is flexibility. With 3 garage sizes to choose from and multiple interior layouts, the Demel can be tailored to fit different needs, whether you want a compact space for quick trips or a fully equipped home for longer adventures. It's also made to be self-sufficient, thanks to a huge 1,000-liter freshwater tank, a dependable onboard generator, and a solar panel system on the roof, allowing you to enjoy the freedom of off-grid travel. Double Pop-Outs Rosa. The Double Pop-Outs Rosa is a luxurious mobile home built to combine comfort, style, and practicality for travelers who love life on the road. Its standout feature is the 2 pop-out sections that expand the interior, giving you extra space to relax and enjoy your journey. Once inside, you'll find a cozy living area that feels warm and inviting, a fully equipped kitchen ready for cooking your favorite meals, and a comfortable sleeping area designed for restful nights wherever you go. This motorhome also includes a modern bathroom with a shower, efficient air conditioning to keep you cool, and cutting-edge entertainment systems to make every trip more enjoyable. The Rosa is crafted with high-quality materials and a sleek, sophisticated design that gives it a truly premium feel, making it more than just a vehicle. It's a home on wheels. Earth Roamer HD. The Earth Roamer HD was one of the most impressive luxury overland vehicles ever built by Earth Roamer Expeditions. Although it's now discontinued, it still stands out as a dream machine for adventure seekers who want both rugged performance and ultimate comfort. This massive vehicle measured 35 feet long, 13 feet tall, and 8 feet wide, making it a true giant on the road. Built on the tough Ford F550 chassis and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel engine, the HD was made to conquer challenging terrains with ease. Its 4-wheel drive system and locking rear differential ensured that no destination was too remote. Inside, the Earth Roamer HD felt more like a luxury apartment than a camper. It featured a spacious living area with a cozy dinette, a fully equipped kitchen, and a stylish bathroom. The bedroom offered a queen-sized bed, giving travelers the comfort of home even while exploring the wild. Earth Roamer SX. The Earth Roamer SX is an ultimate luxury expedition vehicle built for people who love adventure but don't want to give up comfort. Based on a tough Chevrolet 6500 chassis, it's powered by a strong Duramax diesel engine and a 6-speed transmission, giving it incredible strength and durability to handle the roughest terrains with ease. Whether you're heading into deserts, mountain passes, or remote off-road paths, this vehicle is designed to take you there without compromise. Inside, the Earth Roamer SX feels like a home on wheels. It offers a spacious living area, a full dry bath, and a modern kitchen-style galley where you can cook fresh meals. Every detail has been crafted for convenience and comfort, making long journeys feel enjoyable and stress-free. On top of that, it comes equipped with advanced features like a powerful solar system to generate energy, a water filtration system for clean drinking water. EleMMent Palazzo. The EleMMent Palazzo is one of the most extravagant and futuristic motorhomes in the world, created by the Austrian company Marchi Mobil. Often described as a land yacht or a mobile mansion, it combines luxury, technology, and comfort in a way that few vehicles can match. Its sleek aerodynamic body, elongated shape, panoramic windshield, and glowing LED strip along the sides make it stand out as a true icon on the road. Step inside. Isuzu FTS 800. The Isuzu FTS 800 from SLRV Excursion Vehicles is a tough and dependable off-road motorhome designed for travelers who love adventure. With a 5.5-meter body and an enclosed rear garage, it offers plenty of space for comfort and convenience. Inside, there's a large club area, a fully equipped galley kitchen, an electric lift-up bed, and an extra suite for relaxing. For additional sleeping space, the optional Super King electric rooftop tent provides easy interior access, making it perfect for off-grid camping. Thanks to advanced electrical systems, the FTS 800 can travel long distances away from power sources, giving you the freedom to explore remote locations without worry. The interior makes the most of the available space, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere while still offering modern amenities. Owners can customize it with a wide range of appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection microwave, washer-dryer combo, dishwasher, and fridge freezer. Entertainment is also taken care of with satellite TV, mobile internet, and other systems to keep you connected on the road. Combining rugged durability, smart design, and home-like comfort, the Isuzu FTS 800 is the perfect motorhome for adventurers who want to explore the world while traveling in style and convenience. It's built to handle tough terrain while keeping you comfortable and connected wherever you go. KU Mobile Home. The KU Mobile Home is a modern and intelligent living solution built to bring comfort, style, and efficiency wherever you are. Made from strong, high-quality steel that is 100% recyclable, these prefabricated capsules are not only durable but also eco-friendly, making them a smart choice for sustainable living. Each unit is designed with advanced technology that makes life easier, including smart curtain control, biometric access for security, cozy underfloor heating, and energy-efficient LED lighting. These features ensure that you enjoy both convenience and luxury in every corner of your home. Step inside, and you'll find interiors inspired by the elegance of yacht design. High-end materials are used for the floors, walls, and ceilings, giving the space a luxurious, stylish feel while keeping it practical for everyday living. Lightship L1. The Lightship L1 is a next-generation electric camping trailer designed for people who love the outdoors but also want comfort and modern convenience. With its sleek and stylish design, the L1 is lightweight, easy to tow, and packed with smart features that make camping feel effortless. One of its biggest highlights is the advanced solar technology that powers the trailer, giving you clean, renewable energy wherever you go. This means you can enjoy your trip without worrying about fuel or harming the environment. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and well-thought-out interior. The cabin is built with high-quality materials and includes smart controls to manage lighting, climate, and other features with ease. Its energy-efficient systems make sure you stay comfortable while using as little power as possible. Whether you're out for a weekend getaway or a longer adventure, the L1 creates the perfect balance between outdoor freedom and modern living. For those who want to enjoy nature without giving up convenience, the Lightship L1 is the perfect choice. It's eco-friendly, stylish, and practical, turning every camping trip into a smooth, enjoyable, and sustainable experience.